Actually, tinuod yung tayo resulta yung nagkulbaan ko. And sa kakulbaan ako, ganina nag-prepare ko sa ito. And siguro kasabot na good moron yan ng mga pinusuri nga. Bitaw for that, let's do sure Anthony Aaron. Before I start my talk, I would like to appreciate each and every one of you today. No? First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity. Mamski at Tabak, our team lead Pavo. Thank you for this opportunity, Mamski. And also, last week, my mom asked kung kinsay pwede daw mo volunteer regards sa storya karon. And me myself, I really, sinatawag gi-volunteer na ako kay Ligon. However, when I know nga si Sir Anthony Day ang MC, action ko kabalaka. Oh. Because nga naman, you know, Mr. Cesar Anthony po is a business development. Okay? They're not just like us who are distributors. It's not like us nga, distributor. He is from the management. And would you believe that only few of them here in the Philippines nga kana dito muhatag og time each team. And today unsa na ko na-appreciate because imagine he came from the biggest, one of the biggest recognition night sa Rio International, which is like sa health dito sa Malaysia. And yet, earlier, 4:33, siya down on an abot na sa Cebu. Gikan nito. Yet, he still chooses to be here and to be with us today. For that, it's speaker and the And also, I would like to thank all the men and blocks there nga nakadiri karon. Kanang mga tao nga nag-invite ninyo, papaki sa daw, no? And that's very true. You know, because if there's one person taking care of you today, it's the person who invited you. No? So again, papaki sila. And also, I would like also to thank you today for everyone who be here today. You know, I believe each and one of us na tayo responsibility na gusto us. Tama wala?
Tama.
In fact, I believe that before you came here, naamoy mga trabaho. Yet, you be here and is pag yung pila ka traffic siguro. Tama wala?
Tama.
Still, you are here today. And for that, let's give each of you a round of applause. Now, so wala pa kailan ako day. My name is Gab. Okay. Okay lang ako. Kaya ako sa ko kailan nyo tanan. The same as you, I was also invited way back 2018. Okay? Sa mga I'm not sure, basta daghan mga familiar, makarelate na ako ba? The time I was invited 2018, niingon ako ang inahandong. At to taong Golden Prince Hotel. Kay mga on. Ang suwa ko rin nag-invite rin ka on. Sure ko. That's really true. Nga naman, that time I was still 24 years old. Karon sa Janet, 24 years old. To be honest with you, I was also invited. I was invited because of the food. That's really true nga naman. Kasi mga batanon din, feeling batanon. Ha? Feeling batanon. Believe me or not, kay galaan, if mustorya ta or mo, invite mo ta o kaon, wato ta dili. Basta yung tuon para sa buhol siguro, mahalag mo sa pagkakapriti ka may nakaon ito, ato dili. Definitely, kasi that's our kuanan niya mo, pag na-invitasyon ka o ato kita. And believe me or not, that time I was there. And yet, kinsa dili nato, nag-invite, ito mga pila ka mas bago niyan ni. Uy, bay mo isa, no? That time I was invited po, it took my mom 5 months before I said yes on the invitation. Kaya respitar lang. So respitar po, yan eh. But believe me or not, during that time, I was invited also. The one who speak the product presentation, nga akong speaking you karon, is the former president of Philippine Medical Association, that was Dr. Leo Larte. No? And talking about Dr. Leo Larte kahigalaan, he talks about stem cell. That time, stem cell is no longer new to me. Kaya nga naman, I have an ex-girlfriend po. No? At pagkata long story short, at her 18 years old, she was diagnosed with leukemia. Okay, so kung yung mga iyahang mga sintomas, magsukat dugo, magpasok-pasok, o maglabhag. You know what, the worst case also nga ako ang witness ay iyahan, sa kanatong singot. If you want to tapuhan ko, Lord P. It's getting worse. Tinulad na lang siya. And to cut the long story short, so one of her siyahang auntie na sa Manila, because during that time, stem cell, according to the stay on research here in the Philippines, they are So she was part of the experiment. Okay? So after 1 year of experiment and physical therapy and stem cell therapy to Lunanay, she got cured. Really, she got cured. Pwede ba tayo? Eh, asa kaya na, sure po ko, paborito kayo nila, tapos iguha pa siya sa bus. Kani, sure po ko, dahil sa kailangan na ni, ibatan ko yung sa bus. No? And why I know that story? However, ingon sila tiis ganda daw. Kaya ano, tell me or ask me di sa procedure ato. Sa iyahang ulo, sa pag-procedure niya, for them to check if stem cell working sa iya, magkuha na ulo din sa lapalapa. Sorry, sa bagtang lapalapa. So kayo wala yung anesthesia. Even those procedure nga gibon sa iyahang walay anesthesia. Sakit din. Sakit. Muna siya yung tiis ganda. And why I know that story? Because that story po, tighagilaan. That's the story of my wife today. So maybe you might be asking sa ako agad at your young age where you are there because Riwi International is not the same as the company that you have been invited before. No? It's not the same culture as what we have today. Dili Hegelaan. This is more of the values of especially focusing on the health Hegelaan. Now, talking about health, no? Unsa din na agad o ganahan ko makibaw now. Our company po is Riwi International. Si Riwi International 15 years na siya. Sakto ba? 15 years. 16. Actually, 16 years na inanakaray. And to tell you honestly, 16 years kay Galaan, we only have one product and that's oral life cell therapy for 16 years in the health category. Walay laking product, that's oral life cell because Riwi International kay Galaan focusing on siya to develop and innovate the oral life cell therapy. Who among you here nakatungod ka about stem cell? Isa ka mo, don't worry na, pagkakatos ma'am. Now, generally mong good, talking about health mong good kay Galaan, sige, mention ganina ni Sir Anthony, is it really important to us?
Yes.
Definitely. No? And now the question is, giunsa na ito pag-take care sa pagpagalingon? Kasi may ulami ka, di ba? It is really easy for us to tell you, to tell everyone, yeah, my health is very important. So the question is, how are you taking care of ourselves? Tama ba? Now, dali, magkakita mo aning nasa inyong tubangan karon familiar, dili. Maski tiyungan mo na ninyo, familiar na ginakay na siya. Now, these are the top 10 killer diseases na Galaan. As of today, sila ni 22 to 2022 na unsa ko na amaze, unsa ko na siya. During 2018 din kay Galaan, that time 54% pa ang recorded deaths hinungdan aning pamatayan. But believe me or not, 2022 recent nila nga status 74% hinungdan ang top 10 killer diseases or all diseases na wala pa na mention niya. 3 times ba sa pa?
Yes.
Very. Kano man? Nowadays, dili pa kayo dili kumpiyansa ang tagsa-tagsa na ito ka kinabuhi. We might be feeling nga, okay mo ko I don't need that. No. Definitely because none of us here in this room today are exempted of this top 10 killer diseases. Sakto dili? Believe me or not, even if mo deny ka karon, tomorrow you could have this in Pakulang. Tama? Now, what can be the kanibitong giunsa man yun, unsa may pwede makakompromiso sa atong paglawas? Aging population sa Galaan. Ang tao magkaedad dili? Kinsa nagkabata dili? Mga yung may sekreto? Alala. Ang tao may Galaan magkaedad yun na siya, no? If ang tao magkaedad, ang lawas magkaedad sa tama? If ang lawas magkaedad, ang organs magkaedad sa sakto dili? And if ang organs magkaedad, which means to say that our body is no longer capable to fight back all diseases. Tama dili? That's the reason why this can happen to us. Tama dili? What else? Wrong diet. Kung sisundan ka ron. Why reklamo? Tinuod yun na siya. You know what I realize also? Dili man sa syudad kay Galaan. At to gitos mo kaon ka itong instant or automatic. Definitely, mo may madali, mo may pinakasayon yung kanon or dali kanon. Kasi fast-pacing ang time karon eh. Controllable dili? Dili na. No? Eh, kaya ba mo sa yun ako na-realize mo na, try to imagine katong kaluluhan sa una. Kung sa ilang di pa noon. Very uta, no? Pwede gani utang, gani palutuon eh. Diba? inana sila kahimti sa una. And today, kaya pa ba? Kaya? Again, no? And what else? Inevitable stress ko, no? Kinsa ba yung stress din eh?
Sila.
Sana all.
Sila.
Ano daw, primero daw buntag ka na ng mga asawa, may bana. Ang ilang daw stress is ilahang bana. Sorry, bana, actually, I'm married to that. Kaya naman, ikabuntag daw, sa una daw mo, no, ang asawa, o bana mo mata, ang una pangitaon, asawa. Oh. Pero daw mo, no, karon daw, ang bana mo mata, ang una pangitaon, oh, ano? Ano? Cellphone sa siguro doon, cellphone daw. Di ba? Stress na. But actually, kumbaga, for me, we're everywhere today, mas kiyasa ta, stress is really there. Tama, dili? Control, dili? Lesson na, no? What else? Pollution kay galaan. Kinsay wani gawas ito? Di, wala agad. So, kumbaga, if gawas na din na, pollution is there. Even though it's pollution, radiation kay galaan, kita nga na pollution na sa una, makaingon ta nga, ang kita nga na pollution na karon, kana ito ang makaingon ta nga may pag napuyo na lang taong probinsya. No? Kasagana sa probinsya sa una, may niya, may pag-buyo na siya din. Pero pag-aray din, mapalay taga dos probinsya, di ba? Because, again, pollution, it's no longer controlled. Tama? And again, when this happen, kay kailangan sakit dyan sa ulo sa mga doctors. Yan naman, I'm not saying whatever do i-prescribe nila can be cured, but what I'm saying is, those are just temporary. Okay? If sakit yung ulo, na ay tambal pa sakit sa ulo. Sakto din. And so on and so forth, pag-maintenance na tayo. Isa yung mga maintenance din. Now, the question mo, Ala, is, yes, I'm not saying it's one, but what I'm saying is it really curing the root cause? Ika the root cause sa atong mga sakit. E tiba mo niingon si Paracelsus, is a father pharmacology, niingon siya, nga ang tanan daw healing o recovery kita, gihatag na daw sa Ginoo sa environment or nature. Ang gikinahanglan na lang sa science is to find it, and that's discovery of stem cell. Okay, tigalan, stem cell. Asa mo na gikan ang stem cell? Gikan na sa sperm, sa dada, o sa ugong sa mama, okay? Ayun na ninyo nalagyan sa pagkuhat. Kasabot mo. Now, when that night, nag-meet sila, this one single cell is what we so-called as, tanawa? Definitely, that stem cell, that's an identified stem cell. Wala na siya kay Boss stem cell, unsa na siya. Up until then, nang progress na siya into 9 months, kung saan yung tabo, isa na siya.
Ikaw.
Kita na. No? Ikaw na kahigalaan. And believe me or not, it's not an accident why you came here today. Maybe because you have been praying for a couple of years, a couple of months, or even the time you were invited. Because siguro it might not be yung sakit today, maybe family member mo, but also been praying for a cure kung unsay pwede makaayo sila mga sakit. Amen? Oh no, sorry, amen. Now, because of it's unlimited possibilities of treatment, batteries, and miraculous ability. Nga naman, believe me or not, kay galaan, grabe ang mga breakthrough ni stem cell. Kaya may mo like diabetes, stem cell, nakapaayo. The scientist was tested about the AIDS, stem cell, nakapaayo. Have you heard before? Ang AIDS, walay cure? Believe me or not, kani siya mga reputable na siya magazines, mga known magazines, and these magazines, hindi sila magpataka, itawon o declare kung saan na sila dinha. And you know what happened? Scientists have been tested a lot, but stem cell goes beyond the limit of curing. Teka lang. Grabe, no?
Yes.
Papaka rin ito si Sodra. Now, kaya ang pinaka-favorite na ko. Kasi nakasabutan eh. Except sa mga leaders, ha? Kasi nakasabutan eh.
Thank you.
It's of 100-year-old to a 50-year-old body. Now, let me explain kung sa'y focus or function is stem cell na ganaan. Now, kanang dito, bagong tukod ka balay, pero mayroon po ay ganaan. Di ba nindot pa? Nindot?
Yes.
Now, with a couple of years, sabi nagdili na siya, makala itong atiman, kung sa'y may tapos balay.
Daot.
Medyo guba na, no? Dagka na mga kabinet gianay, mga kahoy na ito gipang-anay, na unsay trabaho ni stem cell kay ganaan. Ang trabaho ni stem cell, mura na siya construction worker. Iyan po nga ito, pag nagtanaw niya sa balay, na ay mga guba, parang tamo na niya. Okay? So that's the first niya nga process. repair. Mag-repair na siya. Kung unsa tumago ba, i-repair to niya. And second is regenerate to. Ipambalik to accordingly kung unsa ito siya na ito. Nasabtan wala? So the second half, first is mag-repair siya. Second is mag-regenerate. Now, kaya ba ko paborito is na kinsay ganahan may young o healthy dire. Tanan ka! And you know what's the third kailangan? It's cell rejuvenation. Pagwapahon ka anak, papanunon ka anak. That's the side effect of stem cell. This is a reverse aging process through stem cell. Daghan kay tagdanon sa products sa gawas, it's anti-aging, di ba? Anti-aging is just to stop your age, more na. But when you talk about reverse aging, that only stem cell can do kay galaan. Let's say for example, ako karon 24. Hindi makita 29 na mo kay galaan, mag 30 mo, no? I-reverse age ni siya 5 years before kung unsa ka.
Yes.
Good eh? And now, makita na to diri unsay mga platform or unsay mga methods de stem cell. Kani, placenta injection, kinsay nakaila diri nga mga nila ni Ian generation. Ayaw mo gataw diyan. Iyan, joke lang. Now, Ian generation, Imelda Marcos, Marcon Sile, they are the products of stem cell diri, Switzerland and Germany. But ask me, pila ang cost, anak? At least 50 million siguro. 50 or will depende sa unsa ilahang dosage na nakikilaan. Kinsay na other.
50
Wala,
pesos.
no? But it's very effective. If you have the means and once kay galaan, pwede rin na. But if wala kay galaan, we have placenta injection for beauty purposes day. We've done belo at kalayan. Tama nila? Now, kani mo itong typical nga Pinoy, makita nila siya para. No? Basta pa pagwapa, barato yun. But you know, nakita din ako sa social media, nga nagpaturok siya. Paturok siya. Siya now. Nya ka na laging dili lisensyado nga klinik o barato lang kaayo. Kaya ba mo siya dito mo? Nagkuan niya. Ano sa lubot sa lubot ni paturok. Nagbubag yang lubot. Kaya ba mo siya giturok? Tire block. Kinsay kailan tire block? Papasinaw to nas ligid. Oh, papasinaw si tire block. Basta ganahan niyo siya masinaw sa ginoo sa tuyo lubot. But that's what happened. Safety concerns kahigalaan is that if certified ba na ang kanang clinic o lisensyado ba na ang mo operate ana or doctors ana. Okay? Are we all learning? Now, next we have here the stem cell transplant. Kaya stem cell transplant kaya the same as ako ang encounter also of my wife. Give you an example. We have 2 kidneys in the body. Okay? If kanin isang kidney medyo dying na ni siya, yet the kidney is, the one kidney is still good, mag-extract na siya o tissue niya, stem cell niya. Ipa, culturally, it will be transplanted back to sa dying kidney. However, this is very painful. Kaya naman, the operation will not go general anesthesia. Because, have you observed if turukan ka o kanilitang anesthesia? Di ba magnam ka? It's because the main function ng good sa stem cell ng good, pag kung ano na siya, dapat react yun na siya. But because of the anesthesia, mura siya o kana itong gibuff niya or giiyaha sa gitangtang niya ang purpose ni stem cell. Nga mo dili ta maka-react, it's because nagnam siya. Did you get me? So mo na kailangan niya alive si stem cell nga ibutang nato sa patay nga kidney. Nagets ra? Now, kaya expensive or at the same time painful? Kaya? Dili, no? Now, corporate banking kay kailangan. Actually, I'm here gina-practice na dito sa Pilipinas. Corporate banking, kana itong mga ang mga inahan. And i-preserve nila ang kanang cord blood nila because that cord blood is a source of stem cell. Okay? Asa man din magikan ang stem cell kaning sa bata na siya o sa kaning katong asa gilikanan sa bata, gilikanan sa bata. Okay? Now, i-store na siya. Then after within 20 years, pwede na hindi mo siya magamit. However, the storage fee that would cost you 200 to 300,000 every year. Pero every year, tapos for 20 years na siya. Pero lang, what if nagkasakit ka on the 21st year na? Di ba ako na to? No? So, you are really wasting. But naadaw ba niya? Pwede pa siya na-extend. However, the efficacy is very low na lang yun. Kayo. And also, it's a mischance kay galang. Kaya naman, not all the time, matumama mga anak, no? Nga mo ulit purpose nyo para magpakorban ka. Dili. Okay? Also, we have this adult stem cell banking kay galang. Since you are made of stem cell, even kita na ay, even ang atong stem cell na ana siya identity nga, pila edad na. Okay? However, ang kaya mo if ato ang iturok sa ato is also old stem cell, the efficacy is very low na kayo. Who knows Erap Estrada? Now, si Erap Estrada sa una na may medyo, di ba, sakit sa tuhod siya.
5, 6.
When they checked, there was still good stem cells sa iyang lawas, di-culture ko siya. Okay? And it was transplanted back. And naayos siya. However, it's too late. Kaya naman, that stem cell that was injected is already old stem cell. So which means to say, naara siya lifespan also because our stem cell yung nabalik kay galaan, dili na siya permanente. Muo bitaw, if ato ang lawas nun, dili na siya the same sa kung sa katong makabatalo na to. Because stem cell also age na siya. Now, I'll give you also example, I'll give you also the realization niya. When we are young, no, kanang mga around 14 or not, disipa ta or 20, di ba, lamig pa kayo, kugi pa kayo ang lawas na. Because our body during the time is really capable to produce 100% of stem cell. Okay? However, when we go beyond the adulthood stage, that's the degeneration of stem cell. Di na magsugod ng sakit-sakit. Di ba? I tell you, nag-encounter ba ta? Sa mga dili bataton, nag-encounter ka? Ako, dili naman dyan ko bataton. But me, honestly, nakaala dyan ko, there is really a big difference when I still, this is 8 years ago, mga early 20 ako. No? And, umuntahan ako ninyo, inside ganahan of free of stem cell. Nga, kaya ipa-boost imuhang lawas for free.
Kami.
So, according ganahan. Isa ka mo tayo kano? May nalalang yung hotbot na. Sige. Oh. However, this includes healthy lifestyle. Kaya din. Okay, I'll give you an example. Sa tubig daw, kailangan na tumamit ang requirements daw para mo-consider ka nga na ata sa healthy lifestyle. Okay. So, butang lang na to. Karoon magod bago nga study magod, dili na daw kaya ang 8 glasses per day. Kaya dili na gina siya. Laliman kay ato na ito sa sporting inita. Even walay kahaya karon tag-awa kung sa environment karon kay galaan. Purting yung inita. And to tell you, 8 glasses a day is not enough. Okay? So, unsa day kailangan day? According to the new studies kay galaan, nga kung pila ka oras na bata, are the numbers of glasses of water kailangan ni may consume. Let's say for example, 24 hours, pila ka oras na to?
8.
Check 15. Ayo, ganiti mo ka to. 6 hours. Buta lang na to, safety 8 hours lang kay galaan. No? So, naakay sa 8 hours, naakay 24, 8, naakay 16. Mungutan ako, karon namit na ba na itong 16 glasses of water? Wala pa. So, napatayan to the last 12. No, pwede pa na siya. No? So, kana pa lang daan if wala natin exercise. Exercise. At least 1 hour kuno a day. Wala na ginagdagan rin, nag-exercise, wala na. Sige, papagaan na to chance, no? What if, kaning food na to, free of stress, free of pollution, naan ba? Capable pa ba ni kaning healthy lifestyle? And that's the reason why this company kay Galaan introducing you this oral capsule modern technology. That it is really possible that stem cell lives inside the capsule. Imagine na, i-encapsulate na kay Galaan ang capsule through these 5 technologies. First technology, super critical extraction kay Galaan. Nga, gikan sa katong deer, because we are using deer, no? Gikan sa deer, i-extract ka to ang only needs sa body na to. Okay? Dili lang siya katong mga ordinary nga cell, but the cell that really needs in our body. Nasabtan? Now, second, we have the freeze-dry technology. Ano sa gamit ni freeze-dry technology kay Galaan? This is to preserve sa kinabuhi sa stem cell sa suit sa capsule. Again, this is not preservatives. People, this is not preservatives. This is a kind of technology to preserve the life of the stem cell inside the capsule. Bioactive buhi itaw ni siya. Okay? Nasabtan wala? Now, the nitrogen-filled technology, which is the third technology, unsay gamitan niya para maprotektahan ang kanang capsule sa mga microorganism o bacteria. Kaya naman, if i-cut na nimo ang apple, biya ayo sa mahita mo sa apple. Definitely, brown na siya, no? But because of this technology nila Galaan, gipantang exist na oxygen, gi-filter siya into nitrogen-filled para dili makapenetrate ang bacteria o microorganism. Nasabtan wala? So protected ba ang stem cell? Protected kayo. Now, intercoated technology kung sa'yo gamitan yung kagalaan. Anything that we eat, ma-absorb or hilisod yun na daan sa tiyan. And pila na lang ang nutrients and vitamins na lang na ma-absorb sa lawas. Tama, dili? Now, ang gamit aning intercoated technology kagalaan, dili intawo ni siya mahilis sa tiyan. That's very good. Because, gikan sa tiyan, automatic mo na siya sa small intestine. And ang small intestine is the absorption of vitamins and nutrients. Which means to say, if automatically katong tibuok capsule mo, diretso to siya na to, dito mahilis, that's 80 to 100% absorption. Nakalungog na taan ang inanang klaseng absorption? That's 80 to 100%. It ana kataas ang percentage na kaya i-absorb because of this technology. Dito siya mahilis na galaan sa tiyan. Now, we also have the emulsification technology and the Biosoft Gel. Now, dyan lang ko sa Biosoft Gel. Kaya kung unsa yun nakakuha ni Biosoft Gel, it's because the rapid absorption sa ato ang kaning stem cell in our body. Okay, to tell you honestly, if you're going to take this product, a couple of hours from now, batiun yung mugduka. Actually, gipuga. Joke lang, no? To be honest with you, maugin na siya ang first thing yung ma-encounter. Ang rapid absorption na, mauna siya ang inyong reaction is dukaon yun mga niya. Nga ka na bitong duka na wala sa lugar, katibong magkita ka na dili ka kapoy ba't dukaon ka. That's it. If you might be asking sa mga invites in ana sa nilang na-encounter. No, kaning emulsification technology, for me is, actually na-search pa rin ako, is very expensive technology. Kaya naman, even the smallest bangag kaya niya i-penetrate nga naa sa buko. Okay? So, in-ana kumaayo ang 6 technology kay kailangan niya, ibuhat sa into further placenta. Then, pwede na ito mapakan. And, mauli siya ang mga main ingredients na to. Okay? Pwede mo muna na. Now, ang main ingredients na to kay kailangan is cervicenta. Okay? Mauna siya katong placenta nga sa deer. Now, kaning 5 nga ingredients inyong nakitaan karon, this is already patented ni Riway International. Which means to say, if ever patented na nga ingredients ni mo, dili na ni siya makuha pa kung na another company. Nasabtan na lang. During those time, nga katong naapan ni siya sa 6th edition, isa pa lang ang patented na money. It's only the nucleic level, but you know what? I am really amazed that I'm part of this company because kani siya, ikuha ni Riway International na wala ilain pa ang makagamit niya company. Now, kani cervicenta, velvicenta, gikan na siya sa sungay sa babae ni siya ha, kani sa babae ni siya. Siyempre, babae man. Ang lalaki, ang velvicenta, kani sungay. Pero dili na ang kanang sungay, kay gidugtog, gibutang sa kapsul, dili na kay galaan. Because unsa ni kanindot ang kaning deer di ay matangtang na ilang mga antlers. Oh, I'm not sure if unsa tong spad niya matangtang na siya. But automatically mutubo na siya bag una po niya sungay. So unsa gikuha dili ang katong sungay but kung asa na nag-root ang katong sungay. Nagets ba? Amazing dili. Very amazing. Now kani in ginseng. Actually sa kain of ginseng nito sa China kay galaan but unsa niya siya? Gamit ani specialist mga laki nga nagkaedad na. No? Nanay mga wala pa yung mga bata din but actually this with gamit kaayo ni siya. No? Immune booster gid kaayo ni siya specialist mga lalaki nga nangatog na. No? Now, we have here the axoicon and also the nucleic level kay galaan. No? Pwede niya ako nakapapakan. So these are the active ingredients of Portier placenta. Imagine ha, kanis sila tanan aside ani patented nato nga kanang ingredients kani tanan are already in the capsule biglaan, and that's because of technology. Amaze ba? Maka-amaze? Even ako that time I was also invited na namina ko. I was also amazed naman how would it be possible nga kanang tanang ingredients masuso sa kapsula, no? And mangutan mo gab unsa na gusto na dili. It's a brown seaweed from Japan biglaan. You know unsay kinakanindot ani? Ang ganit siya is what is called as Fukuida na siya. Okay? Ang gamit ang Fukuida kay galaan, who among you here knows chemotherapy? Kita tanan, di ba? Chemotherapy would kill any type of cells in the body. No? But believe me or not, this is the natural form of chemotherapy. Kaya naman, anytime pag makaon ni cancer cells ang ganing nucleic acid o ganing brown seaweed, automatically katong cancer cells within 24 hours mag-suicide to siya. Amazing, dili? Really amazing, and believe me or not, sa even the 5th, 6th edition ng mga Portier, there are lots of testimonies about cancer. Mo na diri tinunanay, if mo talk about cancer, really or si Portier Basanta, it's no longer the question if Portier works or not. The question is if and when you're going to take Portier. Or yun siya. No? I'm not sure if manana siya. Okay.
Napa.
Anak ba? Sige.
Ikaw na din. Yo.
Now, meron gikinahanglan talaga siya supplement na kailangan. Because every day we eat, tama?
Yes.
But even if we eat every day, not all nutrients nga gikinahanglan sa lawas makaon nato. So that's the reason why it did health supplements to supply the lacking needs in our body. Kapag tayo ng food pyramid, pero food pyramid is very important again na siya nga kailangan ma-meet na ito na kailangan. However, sa akong ipanganawang dili mo na ito ma-meet. So that's the reason why we need supplements to supply, and kanila sa makita ninyo din ha, ang kanila yung regenerate nila, galan akong gusto i-emphasize. Because there's no any other method that can regenerate your stem cell. It's to stem cell therapy rin higalaan. Okay? Nasabtan wala? Now, kani makita ninyo, this is our only product higalaan for tier placenta. And when I started, the time it was still 5th edition. And nasundan sa 6th edition. And you know, I thought yun, 5th edition na ang last edition. But unsa ka-amay si Riwi International because 2018, i-introduce ang 6th edition, daghan of breakthroughs. And then today, which is recently lang, last year, tama ba? June, 7th edition was already introduced to us kagalan. Amazing ba?
Yes.
Very amazing, no? And no matter man sa George, tinanay, when I was there, na-meet ako sa, no matter sa unsa kanindot ang product, but what really matters most is our decision. Tama ba? Kaya naman, believe me or not, if me and my mom did not decided to join in this company, aside that we cannot gain what unsay pwede na mo mag-gain, but at the same time, na-amaze me because of that decision that we had was 5 years ago. And today, as what I have tell you might be praying of whatever cure, maybe whatever healing unsay gusto niyo makuha. But maybe today, just maybe today, mao ni ang answer kay kailangan. No? And before I leave though, naalam ko ito po ninyo nga, just earlier, I have heard about news, and so sad yun kayo because one of our leaders also, na medyo na iyahang, yun nga, na-lost lang sila. Part sa journey sa pag-take nila. Usay gusto na ko pasabot sa inyo ang kinihan. Even if unsa kanindot ang product, but we cannot guarantee everyone. Especially if may iba mong buta, nag-take ka na, yet we are not taking care also of our health. Kung yan sa kayo. Diba? Kasi at the end of the day, it's no longer us na maski may ingon mawid. Ikaw mabuhay na mo, ikaw patay na, mabuhay ka. It's no longer our decision. It's no longer our sa mga wala na sa mga na sa inyo ha. Okay? Kasi even if today, wala mo na meet the rate, na ako may ibang inom ganito, but if you don't believe whatever you're taking, it's still possible it happen. Alright? So I hope you learned something for today kagahan. Again, we hope we meet someday in the next event. Again, my name is Rob and welcome po sa series.